Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your speaker EDIFIER MS50A available on your iPhone? So I already installed the application what EDIFIER offer for the smart speakers. It's called EDIFIER HOME. If you open it, we can check a list with supported devices. So I already set up this application, and now we need to click at the plus to add device, and right here's a list with available devices, and right here we have our speaker. So my short answer is yes, this application available for your iPhone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!